Qutb Minar, they say, and 1.5 kilometers across. A bastion of masonry and concrete, 125 meters tall, making it the highest and the largest masonry dam so far in the world.
We have in the region the abundance to build, all the stone that we need, all the skill and the labor to give bold shape to the dam. We hold back the Krishna to form a lake, some 215 square kilometers, more than the area of Calcutta and Bombay, making it the largest reservoir in India. The Nagarjunasagar project is mainly for irrigation, but will serve the needs for power too, by supplying many thousand kilowatts of electricity. Within the bowels of the dam are the penstocks, which plunge the Krishna waters into the heart of the powerhouse, translating their thrust into energy that develops industry and illuminates an entire countryside.
Their plan bifurcates the water into canals on the right bank and the left. The right bank canal cleaves through stubble, rock and hill. Giant tunnels pierce the brazen prominence to ensure a smoother flow. With man-made aqueducts, canal waters leapfrog nature's streams and rivulets.
Nagarjunasagar will quench a thirsting wasteland of nearly 12 lakh acres in Guntur and Nellore districts of Andhra state. A big quench that enlarges food grain output by some 700,000 tons. The smaller left bank canal is planned to irrigate some 9 lakh acres in the districts of Nalgonda and Khammam.
When did construction first begin?
It began with a bang in February 1956. Since then, over 40,000 artisans, skilled and semi-skilled, have been daily as busy as bees on this apparent beehive of concrete activity.
A beehive for betterment, perhaps, set within the halo of past enlightenment, spurred by the song of promise that wells the past to the present to the future.
కాడి గంటలు పాడి పంటలు లక్కలు వేలు పచ్చని తేలు కాడి గంటలు పాడి పంటలు తొలలు పాటలు పరిశ్రమలు పేదలకు పెన్నిదితగా నాగార్జున సాగర నవజీవనము నాగార్జున సాగర నవజీవనము పల్లెలకెల్లా వెల్లువలెల్లా బంజరు నిండా బంగారు పండ పల్లెలకెల్లా వెల్లువలెల్లా బంజరు నిండా బంగారు పండ ఆస్తులు కూడా కలివినా
Each stone a thanksgiving to the message of the past, an endorsement to the present of succor for the needy.
The shape and size of a growing optimism, the Nagarjunasagar project. Within a few years from now, the memory of hunger and want will be no more painful than a passing nightmare.
The profile of the new Vijaypuri emerges into the limelight, as perhaps will emerge in the coming years another Nagarjuna, to fashion from the present site a new center of learning.
నాగార్జున సాగరమా మావరమా
ఓ పావనమా పరమేశుని శిరమును దిగిరమ్మా పరమేశుని శిరమును దిగిరమ్మా
ఓహో
నకనకలాడెడు నేలలు వికసింపగ నీరు నింప నకనకలాడెడు నేలలు వికసింపగ నీరు నింప
భూమి విద్యున్మనుల వదరింప
Nagarjuna Sagar, so strong, a symbol of today's striving, and a symphony of change, where moves the wheel of time, bringing birth to a new dharma or way of life.